EOS. EOS is a blockchain-based, decentralized operating system designed to support commercial-scale decentralized applications by providing all of the necessary core functionality, enabling businesses to build blockchain applications in a similar way to web-based applications. One of the co-founders of EOS is Dan Larimer, who has previously developed BitShares, Steemit, and invented the delegated proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, which is used in both BitShares and EOS. Two promised features of EOS have really caught everyone's attention: the elimination of transaction fees and scalability. They say it can process millions of transactions per second with asynchronous communication and parallel processing. High transaction costs and bad throughput are Ethereum's critical weaknesses, so these features make EOS a serious contender for the title of Go-To Blockchain Development Solution. Interesting facts. EOS is not an officially defined acronym, but the community has given it many different names, such as Ethereum on steroids, End of Silence, Endless Online Scaling, and even EOS operating system. EOS distributed their tokens during their ongoing 341-day ICO, which had an entirely novel structure. The ICO was divided into 350 23-hour-long windows. In every window, 2 million EOS tokens were distributed amongst investors at market price. The first 5 days of EOS's ICO were done traditionally, during which EOS raised around $185 million in Ethereum. Running an EOS node requires a Linux OS X operating system.